This screencast is to show families how to become an observer with your students' courses within Canvas. So first, we will start at what we call granvilleco.instructure.com. So you can see that URL. The URL is unique to Granville County Public Schools, and it's different for for students versus parents. So you can see that URL is granvilleco.instructure.com, and you can have login Canvas. So once you're on this page, there is a login option with email and password. However, if you are setting this up for the first time with a pairing code, you are going to select Need a Canvas Account. Click here, it is free. On this next page, you can sign up, it's free, and parents sign up here is pretty small in this view. So I'm going to go ahead and click that option for parents sign up here, and this is where you will fill out or complete your information. So here I can go ahead and enter my name, and my video here is jumping around. So I can enter Leah Powell. I can select a password of my choosing. I'm going to go ahead and enter my email, and in this case I'm going to use a personal Gmail account to sign up, and I'm going to go ahead and re-enter my password. And then you need what's called a student pairing code, and the pairing code can be generated by the teacher, and it can also be generated by the student. So you will go ahead and enter that pairing code and then select that you agree to terms, let them know that you are not a robot, and then you can go ahead and start participating. So I'll give the heads up that I am going to become an observer of Mrs. Young. So here is my view of Mrs. Young's dashboard, and this is who I'm observing. If you have more than one student, you will go through that same process and use your same information, but in the top right corner, you can use your same account information, but in the top right corner, you can add a student. And when you add a student, it will ask for that additional pairing code. So you can toggle between the two up here. So here I can view all of Mrs. Young's courses. I will be able to go in and view feedback. You can act with the student, however, you won't be able to make any communications or submit assignments on behalf of the student. So now that I have an account that's listed here, I am going to go ahead and log out so that I can demonstrate how to get back to this particular page. So I logged out, so again, you're going to head to that granvilleinstructure.com login Canvas. There's also an app that you can use for Canvas, and you'll search for Granville County Schools and kind of go through the same process. But here I'm going to go ahead and enter my email. I am going to enter my password. And once I select log in, oops, maybe I went just a little bit too quickly there. And for some reason, I think I might have chose the wrong email. And you could just log it in this sense. And I definitely did enter the wrong email. So with that being said, as long as you're on the unique link for Canvas for GranvilleCountyInstructure.com and you have that pairing code, you'll have the ability to view what your student views. Please let a teacher or myself know if you need any help.